Probably wondering what the hell am I doing? And that's okay, because I'm wondering the same thing. But there is a method to my madness. And let me show you. So this is the conundrum I am in right now. Now I have my fridge over here that I want to put in this spot right here that's going to slide out. I mean, that is just barely enough space for that to fit in. I'm going to have to take off the handles for it to fit in there just nice and snug. So I'm not going to have a lot of play. But, so right now I'm already running into an issue with this leg back here being in the way. I suppose I could maybe put the leg on the opposite side, so I'll save, you know, that much space. Instead of putting it on the inside of it, I could just attach it to the back. I mean, well, actually, no, I can't do that if I want to stick that flush up there. Oh dear. I could always attach it directly to here and save that much space. So then again, I'm going to put a leg back there in that corner, but I just wanted to get these two up so I could prop it up and actually see. And yes, I have it up a lot higher than your standard counters are, because I hate standard counter height. They are so freaking short, and I already have enough back issues, and I'm tired of like hunching over when I'm cooking and cutting and prepping and whatever I'm doing. So I purposefully raised it up that high, so it's just about at my belly button, perfectly at my belly button, so that I'm not hunching over as far. And I think all standard counter heights should be that high instead of what the normal is. I think it's like 33 or 36, I don't remember. But anyways, I hate it. So then this part, I'm definitely not going to be able to put a leg, because that for sure will be in the way. So my other thought was creating another brace in between the shower here and attaching the counter directly to that, so that I don't even need any legs at all. That'll be what holds it up on this end, and then I'll just have the legs on this side, and then I'll have all the space I need under there. I think for the most part that is what will have to be done in order to make that specific fridge fit underneath there. Let's see how it looks right now. Okay. So yeah, that just fits snug. See, on this side I'll have to take off the handles, which I won't need them anyways because I'll be pulling it out from this direction here. But as you can see, it's literally just as soon as I get a backing on here, it'll just be scraping on the edge. And then this side doesn't really matter, but as you can see, it comes right up to the wheel well, and there's not going to be any wall or anything in there that I can think of at the moment, so no big deal on that side. but I definitely can't have any leg sticking out right here because there's no way I'd be able to pull it out. So yeah, I think me adding another brace here and attaching it to the wall that way is going to be my best option. And I have one more piece of wood left. Actually, this was supposed to be another leg, but if I'm not going to need the leg, I can attach that and have enough room. Well, that'll be good. Sorry, I just recorded that whole last thing all on time lapse. But anyways, got it done. And that's attached to that beam right there. And it's pretty damn solid. I could sit up on that countertop. And still need to get the leg over there. And wow, the cows are active. You can see all the cows here. They surround this whole park. Anyways, this does not look level. That's because it's not. And it never will be. Neither will anything in a boat ever be level. But this piece of wood is kind of warped, so this end over there is sticking up a little bit, so it looks more wonkier than it really is. But once I get that leg in there and attached to this wall over here, it'll pull it down some and straighten it out. But yeah, so next I want to do this partition over here on this side. But as you see, there's going to be a whole big gap in between here. So what I want to do is kind of create one of those long pull-out drawers, the skinny little pull-out drawers that everybody puts their like spices and stuff in. But that will come in time later. I'm not really worried about that. So yeah. Oh, Amazon just came and I got my sink faucet. So this is what's going to go in there. We're going to put the sink in and see how that looks. And what else did Amazon bring? Oh, Amazon also brought me my shower head for the shower and the mixer for the shower, if I can get it out of here. It's just your standard black doot, doot, doot. And then it's just a little square faceplate here, like that. This is the same one I used on my float home as well. If you haven't seen any of my float home videos, you should go back and check out the whole playlist. I have several playlists on that. There is one that is me building the float home, and then there's other videos of us out fishing and staying on the float home. That would be under either the fishing playlist or the Bohemian Hideaway. That was the name of the houseboat. So anyways, I did get one other thing too. I don't remember what it is, but oh, out there, it's the dang freshwater tank. And it looks a lot smaller than I anticipated, but I haven't opened it yet. But the box, you can tell by the size of the box, but we'll open that here in a little bit. So let's get this sink in here. I'm excited about this. So I think just leave all this cushy stuff on here, right? And this could be an undermount flush, but I'm just gonna do it on top. And see if it fits. I didn't have the best tools for making those cuts, so we'll see if I need to make any more cuts. Oh, 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 she's going in. She's going in. She's going in. Yeah! Oh, good. I have a sink. I have a sink. Let's show you. Sure, voila. Voila. Look how deep that is. That's just deep, bro. All right. Now, I think I left enough space for this, I sure hope so, because we can't turn back. Yes. Yes. Cease. Here we go. Right there like so. Oh, it's gonna look dirty. And then that. Oh, yeah. Booyaka, booyaka, booyaka. So this is the freshwater tank that I bought. And I thought it was the same one that I bought for my float home. And used as a septic tank, but it was way bigger than this. And I don't remember what it said on. I'll have to look it up and see how many gallons this is, but it might be okay. I don't plan on living on the thing forever, so these things are expensive. This small little one was $100. That's tiny. That's so tiny. Oh, Lord have mercy. I can almost put more in a 5-gallon bucket. I'm gonna have to look up and see what I bought. I might have to return it. Yeah, this thing is only 13 gallons. And the one that I put on my float home was 75 gallons. And I think I paid the same price for it. So I'm gonna see if I can go back and find the one that I purchased off Amazon several years ago. See if it's still available and get that one because it's way bigger for the money. So I just checked and it has doubled in price. It is now $170 and it's a 70-gallon freshwater tank. So I don't know. I'm gonna see, maybe I can find something on Facebook Marketplace and find a used one, because obviously to have anything bigger than this, in my opinion, is a waste of money. I don't know. I just can't see myself spending over $100 for a piece of plastic, you know, that's gonna hold water. But or maybe there's some companies out there who would love to send me one. That would be great too. So next, I'm going to stain the countertops. And no, I'm not gonna sand it. So several days later, this is what we got. And it's perfectly functional. And I just put a couple coats of the polyurethane on it. And yeah, I might put one more on there just for good measure. But I like it. I think it turned out good. So now I want to get this put in properly. I just have it propped up here for visual effects. And I had to go out and buy this little paddle bits. And I need this to drill the hole for this. So that's what we're gonna do today. So I just realized, me filming the whole process of me putting this faucet in, I had the camera pointing this direction, which is going to be next video, and I don't want you guys to see what I did yet. But it has to do with the ceiling, and yeah, so anyways, you gotta miss that part. But it wasn't fun anyways. It's just me drilling a hole and attaching a faucet. Cool. Now I just gotta add all the pipes to it and whatnot, but yay, they're so pretty. You're so pretty. So that's going to do it for this video, and thank you guys so much for all your comments and all your help with all my little problems that I have going on and decision making. And yeah, so if you haven't subscribed yet and you're enjoying my content, please consider subscribing. It's free and it doesn't cost you anything. And also smash that like button. That really helps my videos get in the algorithm. Commenting helps. Sharing your videos on your social media or with your friends and family really helps my videos. So anyways, I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.